makes our earth so amazing? The diversity, the people, food, culture, tradition, etc. How did world arrive at this? What did drive people of one place to be so unique and different from other? Yes, it's their geographical location, how they are placed in the globe. There are places with extreme cold, extreme hot, or extreme rain. And there comes India, the beautiful of all. There is no match for its diversity. Every state is unique, beautiful, and when it comes to nature and its beauty, one place stands out. The one place you want to surrender yourself to the beauty of nature. Yes, it's Uttarakhand. Its name is derived from the Sanskrit word Uttara meaning north and Khand meaning land, altogether simply meaning northern land. Uttarakhand, formerly known as Uttaranchal, is a state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as Dev Bhumi, literally land of gods, due to numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. Uttarakhand is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas, the Barbar and the Terai regions, the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north, the Sudar Pashchim Pradesh of Nepal to the east, the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh to the south and the Himachal Pradesh to the west and the northwest. The state is divided into two divisions, Garhwal and Kumaon, with a total of 13 districts. The winter capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, the largest city of the state, which is a railhead. Gairsain, a town in Chamoli district, is the summer capital of the state. Uttarakhand has a total geographic area of 53,483 square kilometers, of which 86% is mountainous and 65% is covered by forest. Uttarakhand lies on the southern slope of Himalayan range, and the climate and vegetation vary greatly with elevation, from glaciers at highest elevations to tropical forests at lower elevations. The highest elevations are covered by ice and bare rock. Nanda Devi is the highest land point of Uttarakhand with altitude of 7,816 meters above sea level. Sharda Sagar Reservoir is the lowest land point of Uttarakhand with an altitude of 190 meters. To forested regions, the state has reported a recorded forest area of 38 square kilometers, which is 71% of its geographical area. The reserved, protected, and unclassified forests are 69%, 26%, and 4.13% respectively of the recorded forest. As per the Champion and Safe classification of forest types, the forests in Uttarakhand belong to 9 forest type groups, which are further divided into 43 forest types. Physiographically, the state can be divided into 3 zones, namely the Terai, Himalayas, and the Shivalik regions. Uttarakshi, Teri Garhwal, and Pauri Garhwal have the highest percentage forest cover in the state. Common species of the temperate forest include Himalayan cedar, Himalayan pine, oak, silver, fir, spruce, chestnut, and many more. Dunes are longitudinal valleys formed as a result of folding when Eurasian plate and Indian plate collided. They are found between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. These valleys are deposited with coarse alluvium brought down by Himalayan rivers. Dunes found in Uttarakhand are Dehradun, Kotli Dun, and Patil Dun. Valley is an unusual wide, long valley with the Shivalik hills in the Lesser Himalayas, known locally as Mussoorie Range. It is bounded on all sides by mountains with northern range running from Kalsi in the west to Munike Reti in the east with Mussoorie at the center in a semicircular arc. The valley also forms a watershed between the Yamuna and the Ganga river system. The state flower of Uttarakhand is Brahma Kamal. Some of the floral diversity witnessed here are Himalayan bell flower, Campanula latifolia, Geranium, Monina longifolia. possibly one of the few regions in the world where all life zones from subtropical hot to Arctic cold exist within a telescopic distance of 100 km, thus providing an astoundingly rich faunal diversity. Uttarakhand boasts more than 600 bird species due to its rich biodiversity. Uttarakhand has the temperate forest, coniferous forest, alpine and subalpine moist scrub, rich grassland, wetland, and rivers which spur various bird species in an almost entire region. The preeminent Uttarakhand birdling watch regions are Corbett National Park, Rajaji National Park, and Kedarnath Musk Deer Sanctuary. The most common bird species found in Uttarakhand are laughing thrushes, woodpecker, pheasant, parakeets. Uttarakhand mainly comprise five major groups, namely Jansuri tribe, Tharu tribe, Raji tribe, Buxa tribe, and Bhotiyas. And now coming to religious life, a major section of people in Uttarakhand are Hindus. According to the census conducted, there were Hinduism about 82.97% of the total population in Uttarakhand, whereas people following other religions were quite less. India is a land of varied culture. Each of its state has its own cuisine too. The common phrase, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, simply exemplifies the delicacies prepared in Uttarakhand. While walking through the road up to your favorite hill station in Uttarakhand, you'll be greeted by different aromas coming from the roadside vendors. Some of the cuisines of Uttarakhand are Jankur ki kheer, Band ki chutney, Garwal ka fanna, and many more. Culture is a backbone of Uttarakhand and is practiced by many people, especially those living in hilly areas of Uttarakhand. Many hilly people of Uttarakhand have taken agriculture as their main occupation as it gives them bread and butter. Like most parts of India, agriculture plays a significant role in the economy of Uttarakhand. Owing to its vivid topography, the diverse agroclimatic endowments, subsistence farming is practiced in most parts of Uttarakhand. The hilly areas of Uttarakhand practice mixed cropping, while in the plain areas single crops are grown. Farmers of Uttarakhand practice animal husbandry. The largest concentration of cattle to support dairy farming is found in the southern foothills. Here are some of the statistics of economic growth. Lacks mineral and energy resources sufficient for rapid industrialization. Aside from silica and limestone, which are the only minerals that are found and mined in considerable quantities, there are small reserves of gypsum, phosphorite, and bauxite. Uttarakhand has got enormous potential for hydropower generation. Apart from its large and medium hydropower potential, which is estimated to be 20 megawatts, it also has a huge potential for small, mini, and micro hydropower generation. Uttarakhand is also well developed in the field of science. There are a total of 5 research institutes. They are Central Building Research Institute, Defense Electronics Application Laboratory, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, and Herbal Research and Development Institute. In Uttarakhand, a wealth of heritage has been drawn from various art and crafts such as painting, wood carving, jewelry, candle making, and decorative temples. Art and craft of Uttarakhand can be broadly divided into 4 parts. They are painting, murals, wood carving, and temple architecture. Uttarakhand also practices basket weaving. Basket weaving is a process of weaving or sieving pliable materials into three-dimensional artifacts such as baskets, mats, mesh bags, or even furniture. Uttarakhand also attracts tourists all over India due to its numerous pilgrimage and tourist centers. Some of the tourist places are Rishikesh, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Haridwar, and many more.